Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be setting up the next week in May in our horizontal planners, and I've got these sticker books which I used for the spread, as well as this wax paper setup ready to go. Okay, so this theme is kind of all about planners and being a planner babe in the disc world. I'm using those Happy Planner disc stickers as the main decor, and I'm going to go ahead and just do a light border all the way around. And I'm being purposeful in the colors that I'm choosing. I wanted it to go in a rainbow tonal repeating pattern, so I picked out the colors I was going to use and am laying them out basically Roy G. Biv or close to it with the colors that were available. I'm also kind of making them staggered a bit and trying to make the alignment not too uniform, trying to make some come in more, come out more, hang off the edge, be closer together, be farther apart, just for interest and to make it look a little more natural. And I've been wanting to do this for a while since I saw those disc stickers in the Planner Babe sticker books. And I just thought it would be the perfect week to do it because this is the week for Happy Planner Squad applications. Everything was set around that. So I wanted to make sure that that was kind of reflected in the theme being a happy planner. And this layout, using it all around the border, could be done with different decor stickers that you choose. I mean, anything that you have that's sort of small but repetitive, or at least within the same theme, this should work. I did something sort of similar to this back around the holidays. It was with those winter eclectic stickers of winter things, and I did that and I put rows of houses on the bottom. That worked out pretty well as a border because I basically just kind of trimmed out the entire spread in that, so it made it feel cohesive. And here's a little trick I like to do when I need more stickers and I'm about to use the rest of the sticker sheet. I pull up the edging of the stickers, and then that way it makes it a lot easier to grab the stickers off. And then I can leave those extra pieces here in case I do another spread with these leftover discs, and I can maybe pull those in, these little extra pieces, to make it a little more dimensional. So yeah, so now I'm just trimming off all of the edges and saving those pieces like I mentioned. Okay, so this looks really good. I think that there's a lot of variety in color and already looks pretty fun. And you could stop here and then just basically do a real simplified layout in the internal parts, but I just felt like going a little overboard this week, so I am pulling in all the things. One of my tricks that I decided to do is to make these colorful boxes into planners. So what I'm doing is I'm drawing in black discs, and I'm starting with the center and then the edges, and then I'm working my way so that I can fit all 9 discs onto this colorful box. And I think that worked out pretty well. They're almost always evenly spaced, but there's one of them that got a little off, which you'll see later. But overall, starting center, 2 outsides, and then going like halfway between, and then halfway between again, seemed to work pretty well. I also pulled these little heart bullet point stickers for my checklist. Again, a little bit more, things to look at. So This isn't normally a spread that I would gravitate towards. There's a lot going on, but I kind of loved it in the end just because there was so much fun and color and everything felt very happy. Every once in a while it's fun to be a little bit overwhelming, but make it fun. I'm also trimming out these extra words that I'm putting in on each day in the center. Some of them weren't centered on their little sticker paper, so I wanted it to be centered, and again, it's just another thing I decided to add in. You don't need to go this far. You could definitely tone this down a bit, but I just wanted to add more. I just felt like it, and I did, and I think it came out really cute. I also pulled that planner from the Happy Illustrations sticker book, and that was pretty much all I grabbed from that, but it has a sheet of planners and discs, which I used the discs already in my goals section, so I just had a few extra planners in there, and I thought that I would use them up here. I also decided to use some quotes from the Miss Maker accessory book that I have here. That one I wanted to put in here, but it was too big for the space, but I didn't pull anything when I was pre-planning for it, so I went back and just trimmed it a little bit so that it will fit, and I think that works well. So this Friday is the deadline for the Happy Planner Squad application, and so I kind of set that up here for that. I know a lot of you guys were asking me if I was applying for Squad this year, and unfortunately, because I have an Etsy shop, it kind of takes me out of the running. I can't ignore my shop for a year, which is basically what they would ask me to do. So I decided just not to apply, that way I don't get my hopes up and then have to figure out what I'm going to do there. And I think it's fine. I'm going to still be here. I'm going to still be doing what I do. It's not all about being on a Happy Planner Squad. It's just about planning and sharing with you guys. So I'm just going to keep doing me. And I thank you guys for everyone who reached out and said I would be great for Squad and, you know, was wishing me well. I went back and forth on what I wanted to do, but in the end, I really just wanted to focus on my shop, and I also like trying new things maybe outside of the Happy Planner world, so I wanted to have that flexibility as well, and then I could bring those to you guys through videos and through Instagram so you guys can see, you know, some other options. Okay, so I'm pretty much done with the design. I'm just going to lay in this last planner, which again I got from the Happy Illustration sticker book. And this was bugging me. I wanted the black bullet points to really be more inset on that day, so I'm going to go ahead and fix that, and I just moved the disc so that it would work. And that feels better to me. I like it on the edge. I'm going to go ahead and draw in the rest of these planner discs. And that yellow one is the one where it's a little bit offset. It's not perfectly spaced, but you know, hey, you just let it go sometimes. And I decided to make it a little bit stronger black with my Arteza fine liner because I wanted it to be a little bit more bold, like the black that's on the page already. So basically, once I finish tracing that out, we will be done, friends. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up down below. Go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch, and think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll see you next time. Bye!